Hello, everyone. Welcome to StartSpeak English, the podcast for people who are just starting their English journey.
Hey, I'm Mike, and I'm here with Anna. Today we have something really simple but super useful for you.
That's right. We're sharing 3 easy English sentences that you can use every day. Ready? Let's go.
Okay, sentence number 1. Can you help me, please?
I love this one. You can say it at a shop, at school, anywhere.
Right, simple and very polite.
Sentence 2, I don't understand.
So important. Don't be shy. If something is confusing, just say it.
People will be happy to explain. It's totally okay to say this.
And sentence 3. How do you say this in English?
Perfect for learners. When you don't know a word, just ask.
It helps you learn fast and shows you're trying. People love that.
So let's review. Can you help me, please? I don't understand. And how do you say this in English?
3 sentences. That's it. Start using them today.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Start Speak English. New episodes every week.
See you next time. Keep going. You're doing great.
Bye for now.